everyone, I'm Sia. Today I will show you how to do the all key loss for 2024 Toyota Avalon. Now we need to use K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, FP30 cable, artificial antenna, and a Lonsdor smart key.
First we go into the special function, generate the key. Select key settings. LT30 smart key. Select generate smart key. This function requires internet connection. OK. Place the LT30 smart key flat in the card slot. Click OK. The car is a 2024 Toyota Avalon. The PCB version number is 0110. We choose the 4 above menu to generate. OK. Select 433, 5843 for frequency. Select the second menu. OK. Generate successfully. OK. Return to main menu. Enter IMO and remote. Toyota. Select from type, Hepsa key and ACL. Type 322 years later. Select 4A. The first step is to back up IMO data. The FP30 wiring harness has been connected to the smart box. Now we connect to OBD. Connected before operation. Click OK. The network is connected. Click OK. Turn on the ignition. If the ignition switch won't turn on, please turn on double flash. OK. Enter the name of the file to be saved. OK. Data backup was successful. OK. Generate the second step. Select Generate Emergency Key. This function is used to generate emergency key. The emergency key can turn on dashboard to add the key. Click OK. The network is connected. Click OK. Plug in the SIMU antenna. Put the antenna top into the slot. OK. Select the file you just backed up. OK. SIMU antenna generated successfully. OK. Turn on dashboard within SIMU antenna. OK. In the third step, we choose to add smart key. Click OK. Please make sure the battery is fully charged. OK. The ignition switch is on. OK. Select load the read D flash data of PEPs to acquire 12-bit PIN code. OK. Select the data that has just been backed up. Check the number of keys. OK. Hold the top of the SIMU antenna close to the start button. The buzzer goes off. The key to be programmed is close to the start button. 2 buzzers. Program complete. OK. Turn off the ignition. Check if the key can be used normally. Select Cancel Return. Let's try again to see if the key works. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The key was successfully starts the car. Let's try remote locking the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed smart key for 2024 Toyota Avalon. Stay tuned for our next video.